our United Nations. Why yeah, Juma, our Ghana Cocoa Board. Why yeah, Juma, so many institutions was signed up by 2 times member of parliament.
Right.
For Bantama constituency. Na mami so was said the minister paying. Ewo elsewhere or my penny kufua bemu. Na abra ne kwala or neneti. Ebo ne krono report to my police.
Okay.
Say ye hit paper. Sammy Gyamfi a onye adwumada. Eka fa mami hu a ene NDC for can say a rehosem. A rehosem in a sense, Sammy Gyamfi na nu masem a okafa mami hu no. So utie na Sammy Gyamfi owie school, obewie school. Ena ya yenua honorable Kwadwo Bonsu. Obefa no e wo university ha around 2012. And no didn't ban in chain. I know a Jawafan said ne bar or Reno or ye ni PRO. O free honomono. And now copy more on crown Sandy Coast School. Yane Umwa Wakasa Mama Penida Denia, your Mahama, any NDC. Na Eduma Bay na Sammy Gyamfi, why ye? Omo bar power. Within 5 months, now flashing dollars. The downtrodden of even your own political party, NDC, they are suffering. And you know, Asanteman-NanaAgyenim Mahama is serious as a president. Our person of fighting corruption, because there should be a deterrent. With Sammy Gyamfi, Nanka, ama adesono ahweso na obi besie ni egu ka mu mponi o na fie die enti we no koyensem na hobi ama Ghana forma nyina manyokuo NDC ni MPP se obi ewa manyokuo bi mu na wabobra na ne ho asem bi ba e wo se ye kan ye di adwene eto se Sammy Gyamfi nim se mre bi beba ama waba be yese ya me gidi sankansa o kan fa sisele adapa ho no enka nya de obeka ana se no pempen so ayedu yi no obeka ya in 2012-2016 John Mahama administration na ye wa ba ye be friend Victoria Hama ono kra no ye minister ni tape bi ba bonti asama o kan ye ni se oyire no ho ye adwuma no nya $1 million a obetwe ne ho afi amanyosem mu e de akoye adwuma tape we pie ye no e de na ye John Mahama esake no ono de o presume o se me ye adwuma na mitimi nya sika we boaboa no a e bia me wade foforo a me meye me fi amanyosem mu we yi na di na obi a ono de he has been caught on the scene koso na no be hwa ye say Mercedes S class bia okoto e no so no thousands of euros headman yire just all splashy sika you see and there should be a President John Dramani Mahama the test case Nankon set the epitome say adie we die krachi regardless say me pewasem and so adie we die ntwa yi me twenwasi nchen na yensen na ho ama afoforo and so no wa fairly on this na ne otiachire die na obedwene say be koto wia ni banso wia why na obedwene yonko tata. Nasa there is a conspiracy. Ekoso. Na brunkuma egu ncheni mponi o. Enti sadie we die the greatest failure of Omampenyi John Dramani Mahama. Wa fairly as a president. E wo se osini trasi na nani wu was statement or the ba mountain say wa pardon Sammy Gyamfi no you wrong.
But Sammy Gyamfi say mo amwo Kumase munim say was no 24 years. Now 50 workers. In fact, obo baby to say take ayedua say no one of the best restaurant ever take ayedua into ono onye obi asika one was on that obi ntimi question on the wealth our wealthy.
Me this year. Oh, say it's easier saying 24 years no we university.
And there was almost 50 workers.
Oh, onya na numu dwa no ne enya itie. Onya na numu dwa no. Kwadwo bonsu ne so ni mu. Ya ohene na onabo kwadwo bonsu. On ne so ni mu peja no. Na samre na wo na obi abia adwuma na say e bia wo hwe so a eno ye wo dia. E wo me ne e wo yen ese. Isi edu baby a amanyosam no, we must face the reality on the ground. Enya no kura bi asa obi adwuma na wo hwe so. On kan say school na no okọ no. Our classmate our manfu ha no. You know, asem na aba no. You see, I admire him as a young guy so when you're bigger and juicy position. But the conductor or conductor he must bear down he said in shame. NDC for nkwala omo bre e wo Asanteman-NanaAgyenim. E bi sorry kra ni ombedi eden. Na $10,000 so nim na ebetini ayama obi. Na why we ni e kan na obedwa wenum say na open free yesu na eti. Na ni nyina ne say you see omampanyi Mahama he is not ready to battle corruption. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Right. And now young situation say papa is why code of conduct na or say obaya or say me dopa konen ko ye boni biu enye no ano say I mean
now you see unim ade ma omampanyi Kufuor one of the greatest presidents in Africa or in the world and he say zero tolerance. Okay, Malamisa, na GFA for tupai. Sika was say the bon home man, ye the share nensa. Eme ko yira ye, DNA ye no. Ye prosecute no. Anaduma na sem no, J. Kufuor did not tolerate it. Anything to me the good legacy. But say no, say NDC government, etimi bien na no ka say wa pachew. Enti ye di ache na ade so obi aya obepache ye di beche no law bebrebe aye kan law no it's not scientific law obi timi ko wi abanche na ye jeli no obi timi ko wi aponche ne obi timi ko titi obi ko nto mekra na ye jeli no and just for deterring said the beya Emma crime obi nkonko ye bi no be na say what mo ye ni say ya you don't mean to rule this nation very well.
Right. Okay, now it said the idea just say President Mahama na numa asem no ko ono ankasa sabiemu watintas you aside for the touch them fast ana
oh yes because here ono an first 100 days you know followers e wo mu no ebi nie na manifest you the first 100 days no ebi nie na I manifesting.
Right. Now, honorable, Nane, situation about the same precedent. When it comes to tribal hegemony or year, minibidi say war Asanteman the appointment a why was so one wenya but to be free Asanteman so all ye minister DCs no it didn't hold to buy in Santifu be bonyo so. But what says asem no ofan say
you see these are some of the things I said it and I repeat. NDC as a party under John Dramani Mahama leadership no on pass Santifu them
emre bi na wo ka asem yan sa ne ye beto aba nipa bebre ne wa anya adwen say because uni Mahama
that's it
Would President Mahama
Me that's me this year.
uh-huh.
I respect President Mahama as a brother. But in that reality, no, on Plan 24 some, only the year Lordina Mahama, they hate Asantes to the highest score. And so when you stand here in the map, Professor Mills, he will even against the wish of J.J. Rawlings. Not J.J. Rawlings at the Betty Mood. That's the drama in the Tana Bantama, or your Kumasi Niakola, and Yahi, oh dear, Prof. Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
Sort as here.
Okay.
Na bede aye ye any sumina so. Obekaya, yera Professor Mills, nyamenfa me krensi. Abra Professor Mills, ebe ye man penyin 2008-2009 general election. Ordinary ba Asanteman ma Asante eya kono. Emma, you see, regional balance, tribal equity, obia nyane de sade fata. Dr. Kwadradu for Kumawu this year, or the Minister of Finance. Professor Otiaje, Ofri Bosomtre, or the Minister of Energy. Akwesi Opon Fosu, or ya Chumeniba, and Opapansu Free Wasa. Professor Nose, no local government minister. And I am my Kwabri Niba Betty Mood Idrus. Or an attorney general. Asama make no mon cross second.
Okay.
2012 mua. Ye ko akensie amanyose mua. Nyame frɛ ɔmanpanyi dada Mills no. Mahama take over no Opamo Kwabrandu from finance. Opamo Otiaje from the energy. Opamo Oponfusu from the local government. Opamo Betimood from the Minister of Justice and Attorney General. So this is not a new thing to me, and it's not a news. So you see, edu baby I expect say no Muslim for you are one of the minority clans in this country. Minority tribe in this country are the Northerners. Na near John Mahama se party be eba se UFP. Na bi obi be ye president. Na osha se Brigadier General Opoku or Asanteman with all standard, one of the fine gentlemen, one of the best army officers in this country. Ono no wo ye Southern Commander, and then when you know, wakofa kokoma need in Aba.
Okay.
Can this happen in the northern region? So be ebia tamale no way you da go many flow now the Asantini Aba. Would they agree?
Hey. Na
would they say
me bawo eba ne say ya when ya ne yakoka se na Asante youth for ne Asante my cancer ne when mo hu ne say political tribal hegemony politics intino nananom ana say Asante youth must stand and stop this because it doesn't happen anywhere. Nane wo de minister Asante youth na aka na say mo ho de mo ho na egu on
Mereshe engu you na unim. So be the young man penyinia. Asante de you want it ye.
Okay.
Want it ye de I see what in here because Volta region GBC. Who as a regional manager. Ye didn't do one the voters did demonstration against him.
Okay.
Say he is an Asante.
Oh, really?
But although Ofi Equiatimo, but they did demonstration against him. Say, "Oya Santini onko kumasin ko ye juma wo."
Okay.
They don't care about the qualification.
Woka say picture here that's here Bolly Bamboy president na ankasa na kache. Woman say Fula the woman na baso me di we Fula ni into omu gonja form pe no eja dem e omu hye ne ma. Ba Asanteman mu ya anya ne saa. Ade ye week ya na.
Enya week na ye. Memfa aboa e freni jata ne ba ne me no. Memfa ne abakosem kakra. Ni di ye no. South ya say Asante ye din a ehu chen so mo bekasa.
Oh, okay.
Say you be no yeah or lose 1 million votes in 2016. Now you see the Council of State in NDC. Chairman General Ese Dunketia, Minya Penyini. They should advise him say John Mahama. Obeto ye NDC mu. Obedi abregu party ne san the party na ko opposition die mu ana. Oko Gonja Asantefo wo ho. Oko Dagoma Landa ye wa Asantefo wo ho mu ye NDC. Oko Wala Dagari Frafra Mamprusis Landa. We have Asantes who are NDCs. Our almost support party no. Oko voter regional ye wa Asantefo a omu ye NDC for omu support party no finance party no e wo ho. Na obeti se ye kwa kobubo DC or voter region. Obeti NanaAgyenim buate. Ose buate. Buate yi adom.
In fact, let's see.
No way would they.
Ekro na aboboni nyina northern east north baby no hwedi that's wo mo am nkrofo nko na mo accept wo mo.
They will never ever allow. So I say that ever Asante no we are liberal. But Mahama is taking our lenient for granted.
So about what taking for granted is what now in politics, so numbers is important. Na the wo ye na mote won na what taking for granted na nei. Someone ananum kran kasa mpanin to sa na banko dadi. Asante mabunu no yeso di omo kire ye na di omo di ye. Die na we wo kan say ni because politics no mo ye yes. Say Asante so esuya sa politics ni say to protect and preserve our standards ana.
You're right. I know they me know ya adwene. But ye guso ye toto niema. Na ye kom ye no.
Asante Asante mabunu na ho de.
Asante Youth Association wo ho. Concerning youth of Asante ye wo ho.
Da bi na wada ma am hwe na me ka na na em say em so omadi fufu em so omada. Oka
sa udika me this year. Oka sa udika so ho.
Omadi fufu.
Na edu baby a ananse se toda. No bi ye din no for chire na ni hwewa. Ehu chen so obetian. So ho ni amechire no. You see
nyina Asante Union ehunu nyina Santema Youth ehunu.
Medics say John Mahama making it clear say NDC Asantes have no stake in it.
Okay.
No, that is what implied near air no. Or party said that Asantes have no stake in a party called NDC.
Nanu me kra meti ya na yenuanom ha me pa no ode hye batidie na Asante tinanu say you collaborate through me yenuanom e other stations e wo sika FM na aja wusumo ne nice mo ye a demonstration wo kuma say through our own initiative to demonstrate against womo a cassette Asante ti ya ba ne say ya na womo ya no just say ne na de na Asante Youth mu de mo ye weak Asante Youth ene ya yanya we sabe Asante Youth wudi mu akotene pa concern youth of Asante ya wudi una ade animu adai entuma fra no ka bi kire wona nanom e wo chinchini benche no wonum ntie fisa wo
me de share ne ameka ne say on say Asante ne ma ye da sonko ne say ye wo nimdiefo a edi yanim.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
Osha kwanya Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. Professor Ochre. Not only the Konfanochi. Asanteman-NanaAgyenim. Rakope NDC ba power omso o MPP ni. Omo yine frio. No makofa Fantini. No mo de naba. Ye de ye hu ni say ye nyina ye nipa ba ku. Na niaye ka nyina ni say ni NDC ye northerners aka o manu atu mu no. Womu hweye na se china aban foforo ba na bibi di wo mo a aha wo mo The military hierarchy, see, military is all about experience. America, we are general now for retirement, Krana. You are allowed to come and give advice every month 3 times. Army defense or the barracks. Not the rich and experienced people. Mujizi Omo, Brigadier General, upon Pipra, Mujizi Omo, and now share Omo Muji Omo. About 90%. Asante for ye next one replace ano me akofa ye nuanum siri before na de ko pese honum.
So nice. In this case, it seems I mean, yes, so we also want to dominate. Yes, in you use political strategy to dominate.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, now so the record is there clear. Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, Omanpanyi Mahama be president. They make sure say, winning omo general scholarship be. Even those from the Asante regions are northerners.
Oh.
They make sure say indigenous Asantini be anywhere or benefiting from their scholarship. So this is not new thing. Now, NDC as a party, Obi who NDC, who say northerners and maybe Veterans Party. Now I am encouraging other tribes in the country, the Gans, the Hunters, the Fantis, they should also stand up and fight for their right. Because in governance, there is always a balance. A regional balance is important. A tribal balance is important. Now, causes a position now they are Ghana Water Company. From the CEO to all the board members, they are northerners. Now, say, be president. Now, yes, I deal with NDC as a party and a Oguno. Ogu party na kum sunsun. Say, sa party no, eba power, ebe ni power ba no, 4 years with all indications.
Well, N'Agyenim Boateng, abusi amene N'Agyenim Boateng aka Jataba, ene ka say na concerned citizens of Ashanti wo di animu ana. We nu ye nuanum busa na Asante foi bibia na NDC foi you sumo. As NDC you so Asante region. Nane in politics numbers ni important. So ye ni say no ebi a ye kan na say yemfa no say NDC draw strategy say the more na ye pushy and Crawford to invade Ashanti region because you said the more settlers are coming, the more we are getting the vote from them. Now, education will cost propaganda, will cost on an when you say the settlers will dominate Asantes, and then even though it's politics, but the best affected the Asante tribe now, a powerful no foreigners never dominate. We take all political position to use it as a tool to rule Asante for in other sense. And now I want to say.
And that is the agenda, but it's not going to manifest. Trust me.
Really?
Because it will never manifest. You see,
scholarship secretariat. Yeah, mama ko school no ma be gitu mi no ma be di musu. Ebi ni dia mu hu wo DC ni appointment.
Me dey say urim. Our sama we should pity them is that Asantini ba me mami enu a omo ye medical doctors, omo ye medicine. Omo wa ma no ni baby omo we no me dey say me na me tia omo fi pay na mo de e scholarship ene ye dey mamo wa hu ya me kire no enti no sebi akwansi ni owura onyankopon wa hyehyɛ nyame wa ya Asante kese dada. A strategy, there are other tribes in this country. Every month they go on a meeting how they can resource and empower. From the BT Asante for. So yes, it's ongoing, but naturally, Nyame na ya Asante kesi o. Mo ye dia ya mo ntimi Asante.
Ekrobi ya
mo ye de enhwe
ekrobi ya friend nyame ndae ekrobi minimum no ya friend nyame ndae
o de enhwe bi bi ti say Dagbon issue yi baye the abudus and dandanis anya asante ne ye de ye urade ne na si fomo a o ma panyin kura ntimi anka o
dabi
ye nyanu mboko any omo ntokwa ekoso the kusasis and the mamprusis ye referee invite o mo ba akopɛ no o ti say hwa ye din
emu ajo
enti no we no mo de mo pa mo mfom mo nya de ni nyame ahyehyɛ no na wa hyehyɛ but that notwithstanding no we got to be vigilant.
right
It is the first 120 days of John Dramani Mahama no wa fairly it's a failure.
okay
Na no obi koka say oh and the Obama Mahama care eba and I'm saying look this is very funny because we have national health insurance initiative. There are certain diseases chronic it's not on the health insurance. So if you have the funds, nationalize it. Sauba Beye Mahama Care, it's funny to me. Who is in charge? Who is the signatory to Mahama Care? Is it coming to take care of the northerners or Votarians or the NDC party members? And then as a president, if you want to do something, nationalize it. Former president of how do you call it, US of A, President Jimmy Carter, all year the foundation, no, odi ni man penyini wie ye no, emfa so a wanya ewa America man so no, and on chances all give it back to the needy. So if you are a president, now it means strengthening the natural hospitals, the natural medical facilities. Na say, also about the creative Mahama Care there. It's in the way of corruption. Not just say Mahama Care no be per contractor. Go and pay money into it. Na beji contract, no. Is that not? One ya mention no. Yeah, one hospital. Now no more the Northern Regional Teaching Hospital, Tamale Teaching Hospital, TTH. Ventilator, common ventilator, keke. Ebi ni ho ama obi ewu.
okay
Minister of Health, Ekoya. The or kwa accuse the CEO. Is it not the same?
owie no wasa yi na di Robin Peter to paper no de ono ni pa be so
Oh,
na di
near was an common canism. So, ya buy na aba. Who you CEO, I be MPP time, ya appoint you. Ain't ye baby you, at the young nipa aba. That's it. But look at the drama, almost. What sense does this make?
right
Because being the minister of health, you know, Ghana, you probably 544 teaching hospitals. You must know their standard, their status, their conditions. Now, even say their ventilator any nuclear, to me, it doesn't qualify to be a medical center. Instead of you to empower the facility, instead of you to contact the regional director of health and no medical doctors anymore, give me a briefing. How many ADHF compound do we have? We know we have one teaching hospital. Other facilities, what is their needs? Now you provide it. You see, NDC is becoming too autocratic government under John Dramani Mahama. But when you know, their failure is a reflection of the failure in 2028.
right n'agyenim me da waso na asamba ko a me hwe comment section ni pa hwe odoso wi ase afa na nyina dodo na ebisa se what is your bisa na na se na wo ye na mo tete ho na mo yam se nyame ne beko yento kwese says enipa no hwehwemu kire se asantefo ne enwo dodo biu na settlers na free north wo mo free Niger o Burkina wo mo wo bebre wa Asanteman wo mo number na edoso enti wo no di Asante youth fo na anim ya wo ku wo yi de ekoso wo ne nipa wo mo doso no wo nana wo mo se mo ya we de mo nim nana no mo nim se sei na ekoso
Medasi. And no the idea my advocate on it. You see, Asante Beya Asante Nyina the numerical strength. The numerical strength ma Asante no. And only say me na Asante hini mensa bunsu. Owo 500. The last born near friend na pemfa. Ewo tetrem na no ofiri. So ho. Enu ntino me nana. Otosu 200 near friend kwaku ahenu nana kwaku ahenu. Eno de amijitum said the Western culture no ha Asante. So it's a wake up call for Asanteman. Yengai wedding sem no. Me dey no dey have been advocating because me na do mensa or no one go do okro 73 you know me mama ya say wa enti na wo say ya chance na ya wo hwe me nua baako for some reason me money di ni maye bi du pe ho mo nyina mienu ne medical doctors ni watchman or na doom store wa wo nwotwe wo hwe ne mmadụ nyina wo university timire bi na mi busa re say heja we enti wo da chepa say even assembly ma kra ye contest ya wo no watchman one anim nyansa enti odi se ba eba awo no de say Asante suatra na ye sua no eno na ye ha ye yo eye sa brofo sem na yede ye ho toto so a yesuesua na wedding na yemi enwo ni nyina shaase. It was an architect by J.J. Rawlings. Oh, did the interstate succession law ebaye. It was a plan and crofo would do nti yenya dia ebe mo would do and gradually is manifested.
Na ye say ne mu na ye kwatia mu Asantefo ya say ni
say bema
omo dominate mu ye nuanom na efiri bia omo firi Burkina Niger ne most efiri vast and the northern part no e wo mu Asante ji obi anenso so e say nhehye ye bi gba ho omo dominate mu
oh and only there in a way no me ne wo ya adwene ba me ameti we no me man no so ma wo 13 sort ya say
na wo 13 na agyenim wo 13
oh yeah
nti wo kasa Asantefo no so nhyase so omo nwo
I was say yeah you ho
can the authority na nhyehyeye example America for no kwa wo mo Britain for no wo mo na mum wo de betena kromo di 100 years obema passport on obetwere mu say wo mfiri kromo ho even though so one naturalize but wo mfiri kromo ho passport is say you are from Ghana, you are from Cote d'Ivoire, whatever. So this is a system where you can never compete the next 50 years, the next 100 years. When you walk around, there's a system telling you say, "Onye kurum honi na wabeji kurum aboso." Sanity you.
I am a resident permit, isn't it?
Even passport on the amount one naturalized so we a citizen, but watch your passport you say, "Oh, American, we ye Ghana." Exactly what you say. Ni babi aju book no pe wontimi ne ba nyepe ne ba no ofri kro ne nyepe
yes it is no ade dia
tumi ya ye wo ne yesi ye tumi na koye ya ye din no a ye nya system even though so omo wo bebre de but say system bi no clear enya sa nana
me no ya adwene se bia ne se o tra ha se de kra na wontimi medi hene e wo ba bia so who na make no and you know it's about time one say some of the areas kontanase o makwa akofa em say gonja ni so o meye DC e wo ho They have rights against it. Enti boba eno na me ka say Asante ye din a hu kra chen say omo be kasa o. Asante ye din hu kra so omo be kasa. Enti no oyene
bibia enema de na kwam nti mato
enema de na kwam pa
na na yewura ye na wo ka se ma wasante se mu hia o wo ba ko ba bi wonu mo ye omo de na de na wo te santeni wo ye wasante se na wo su usuru sa se
wo de ahwe o me de share me ju anu si ye nua no muslimfo especially under NDC government, you know, they are tribalistic. Yankao, but Santini ko defend the problem. Mameka bibi nchiro. Yanta yenyanum slimfo ayaba wo mo santime mo manyinye skai. One so obi atokente afrada.
Edne, say be about 1 out of 1,000 here. Edne.
No, you see, yenyanum slimfo fan say alaji gruza money wenum. They will never put on kente cross. Eni yakwabri ni edi yenyan slimfo ma betna boa so a wo mo kra mo ho ne enyu kente no. You will never see them pass they do akwasi there bi anasa omo aye salabi na slim ni wo tutu kente. No way.
Adentia.
And Tierra say or party say it's not a culture.
But
so what I say
nanso so odidi apoto wiem sa ne asase twuma so Asante aye ne yie nanso so wono nso de ne culture abewura Asantem sa
asem no and so enam suatra western culture no na ha ye yo enam suatra Asante ne brand ye kwa yi a no a share slippers no a share trousers
obi wo culture
wacha wo ne amete ade a me ne o mampanyi Mahama 19 sembe bia ye kwa yi a me fra me ntoma ye ko program a me tutu mi kenti enti ye wura kasama wasante samunya wa ejina nema piso wa ho fama oniema wo ye nyina ano e wo se wo dan na di se wo ye santini ba sort ase hu
dia wo kai watwuma dress bi so efise hwe o sabi ye nyina na ye se putogun hwegu kwanse kuro mu a se yabe wo masante bebre no a wo free north no ya wo mbese bi 200 years ago no matana Asante enso dia wo kan won masefo kora no empa Asante culture kora dia hwe yo na mum won do mo dia beka nti ne no the surroundings bebre no wo de ne culture ne te wo na wo so Asante Asante wo Asante ni dia nenso so ye ni Asante so ne amane kan na me
Asante Asante ni be wo ne ba no of se friend Juanita Mary Madarin me enkwase din dia he me ma du miense ti omudi na natrewa kenten boaten amonu Gyamfi aboaten se wa bonsu boaten na be ma boaten efiada ko aboaten se wa boaten mi wo se wa mienu se me ma me de ya se wa salty ase mi wo na no se tutu boaten na ya wadu boaten kwabra boaten na no usu ansa boaten oh my kids obi ani wono ma obi ani wo okra brofudi so ti ase enti no obehu ma Asante no eye moja eye culture eye lifestyle wo ni ametre no Asante ni ba ma wo sika wo so wo dodo Santini be ma wo sika o yire no manenti ase me na medu mensa crow from Kumasi crow from na ni fie wo opia mensa na yire no official wife no mo ye nan omo ti omo ho ase kama problem bi ani ho wo de hwesrem ni o wo ma bi ton koduni anka wo yen janse no so na ni kru eye watchman e wo tia Amedia Kumasi Amas ni kunu ni yire no eyensia
watchman yire mu yensia
eyensia e no wo mma e na Asantefo na hwe ni mane ma wo mu He adopt to Omuna show more. When it comes to elections, so they will vote against us.
They will vote against at any party belong to Asante. They will vote against that. Hey. Nene, na say a time bomb na yetisu no. A time bomb.
Was say
because
I was see a would do.
In a matter of a battlefield on abrofon there omo ye ne say even those who Spain, Italy no omo no ntimi ngona omo ya omo ba no still then the omo ye said they replace a war with a strict system. I bet that upa 1,000 set day. Omo nim say wo
master I was say a would do. Nothing more, nothing less.
Okay. Najeri meda senti say no Asante youth da be na yebete monka Asanteman ho dadwene ne de ekoso Kumasi plans nana ya na mu hunu kageti adum se de ho aye choke no ya mo enkomo ne kosai mo kabiche unuan metia
me dey
de na ekoso
ka wa kuma to ye na bibia de da na akwem o man panyi Mahama penso akwadwo bonsu ba ya na transform Kumasi e na o mu yi ni fidi ha ba niema de da na akwem Asante your mind, Asante ya Asante. Ni etie bia na Asante bedi nkunim.
Okay. Nana me da say ka me da say na Agyenim mame na wase why. Me da say me fra wo James nti. E bere foforo mu no e kwa won ya me ba na ya say di nkomo bi o.
Ya mi sao.
Real. Na Agyenim no yeda na se pa aka Jataba no na Agyenim yeda na se why ade wa cheche nsem a kire ye fa Asante sem ho. Wa cheche mu nsem bia ya na nipa bi bisa we ku ahodo wo Kumasi no ne me amenhia no wo no adodo na so odi mu akotene na ebisi ne na so nti mu ati bibre de fa Asante youth ne sansensem no obi no ye ni kurom na wo no bo ne de ho ba na wo Asante ne ye se wo bo de ho ba de ye se wo ha adwen da bi ese se ye ja sa de no na ye strategic politically because if we are saying a politics in fact the NDC kraba ye policy no mo ye no wotena se na wodwa wo se da bi ano ya yeden nti na Agyenim boaten ye da se yeda na se pa se ye wo ye no wo be cheche nsemu di a kire hide the reason so but drop your comments ye be kind the amount why na ye ntoa so na Sammy Gyamfi asemi na ye nyina ha ya na no se ye wo ho na mote se bemen ene dollar no a ne atiate che se wo che dollar no na wo che enso ho a wo che no a na no so ne yese girl bi se wo no what new fish na wo mo ye no a na che se ne yese o ye no wo kan dollar me ba sisi ahwade
It's body the drum king.
Happy day, why you home? Me catch you sick train. Na me sure be na mkwan so ba kwafi ya dollars na me kindness I know. Dollars and I need it. She copy be any so.
Eti we su ya na da de trend pa won we su ya se na danfo ne Sammy Gyamfi to so ono gaily kase kwapi bi wa ye ho ahwa na de yi wo ye na te dollar no a o dollar no a ene Sammy Gyamfi ene dollar wo boy no ho ene che se gaily ene on so hwe dollars pa wo wie kura kire mu cedis asa gu ni nchen wo se won che se wo ka asem ni na ho ahwa ntwen bi na wo ba wo koyi na ne che se dollar no wo che ne sa wo che se sika ene yes Sammy Gyamfi de okọ ne nchen ya dollar ne de o che ne se nsuo no ena gaily wo de bi kire mu mo hwei wo de bi kire mu
Dollars. Sheni citizen so ebita ha. Ba wo de
eti wo ye no wo se citizen so ta ho eti na say ene che say Sammy Gyamfi wo ye guy boy no wo ye guy ska wo no ho ska wo no ho pa ska wo guy ho eti wo se guy de wo se sika ne de eta no ho na ne nyina ne se ye hwan ya ye se wo ne na danfo so ne Sammy Gyamfi na wo se wo ka so wo kwa ba wo ba ya ne se wo kan dollars no anti ya de ha twen wo man no na sam no o mu sine koso wa ne sa wo mu sine koso
It's
body the drum king. Happy day, why you home? Me catch you sick train. Na me sure be na mkwan so ba happy dollars na me kindness I know. Dollars and I need it. She copy be any so sheni dollars. Sheni citizen so ebita ha. Ba wo dey focus on dollars ne so happy a opere. Me catch your section. Then ya me be sure me we kwa.
Yankweyanim na enkomo ne yedie no ho na yedie no a jataba chechire mu na agyenim boati chechire mu a obia ba santemam a sante ye wuyi obi obeba bia ni wo se asante ase no wo ho bia sante aye ni na wo hene ni wo ye no wo kyerem se wono no ofiri tachiman nanso wo ba santemam no di asante aye no Al Jazeera kora ko ho no wo ka Al Jazeera ko no ho tie we lady wo sompa tie no wo de tie
Rising Stars is the host of the Sompa Nkomo show. Ohenani Adazoa, just 2 years in, her show already has millions of views.
Sampan-Nkomo is a social program. We deal with family issues, marital issues, and issues that involve vulnerable people, such as divorcees and widows. We sit and discuss issues like they do in a court to find solutions. I see this as a way to help society.
Eti we ohene ni wo se tachiman ne wo munim nanso wo ba kumase no kumase agye no kumase ama na gina yie eti wontimi nyi kumase fo boni aye hwe na ya wote wo yire pa FM hwe de asantefo agye ne so aye no eti ekina bi obeda yi asantefo se ye nipa mu yi mu obi obeba kumase bia ba santemam asante ye wo kese de mo frɛ nante nan na hwɛ kase a wayo ɛyɛ hia ɛyɛ asantefo hwɛ wɔhene ni wɔnɛ wɔse de yi wɔfiri tachiman ɛnam sɛ santenim sɛ nua tachi wɔyɛ ni obi ankyerɛ wase woyɛ santeni ba yɛ ne wa nete wɔne wɔka Al Jazeera na mekɔhunu sɛ Al Jazeera twa ne interview nyina so wɔn de wɔm obi ani ho asa ɔba asante ɔsɛ asante ata no nti na agyenim bo ate asɛm wɔka sɛ sim sɛ ye twapo mama nasiri ye tenten wo mu a unso wo kan asɛm bi sɛ enipa ne bebre no a ye de wɔn ba asante ya bɛwo wo mu ba asante bi bia anya ne fɛ asante bi bia anya ne fɛ ɛyɛ kasa ko dwene ho so nti de ekoi ye bibi ansi a bibi so bɛsɛi ɛyɛ saa nete nti NDC ebegyina saa de so de aye policy ne be ye hu fi sɛ the more no betimi dominate nipa no wa use wo no now obey use politics to attack you because the people now dominate no doso most of them so no beto about the NDC and one be shape more the aba very dangerous mon hwe ni pa mon ne nanan kasa mon hwe ni politics na omoya no eti wahini ni se oba kumase fo apagya no enne bi mi hu na Al Jazeera na omo interview no so ho ai nti obi e ne ho a obeka se santefo ta will be there bi nti sa
Rising Stars is the host of the Sompa Nkomo show. Ohenani Adazoa, just 2 years in, her show already has millions of views.
Sampan-Nkomo is a social program. We deal with family issues, marital issues, and issues that involve vulnerable people, such as divorcees and widows. We sit and discuss issues like they do in a court to find solutions. I see this as a way to help society.
Okay, first of all, let me take you to the foundation of this world. Yeah, me boy, Asanteman-NanaAgyenim, we are see. We're the rock of ages, what time you share bossy. Do you want me to tell you before you know that Ashanti is the capital city of the world? I feel your pain because you wanted to brag about your tribe. But since I am ahead of you, you feel like your words are filthy like a rag. Nevertheless, be proud of your tribe and use the energy to promote it rather than giving up and thinking that insulting Ashanti will be like encouragement. However, it's a trap. We come like a horror movie and you're trying to turn it off. Now, why are you crying? Now why are you silent? Who even advised you to be mute? Please don't give up, let's keep the race going. Hello? Hello? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Now who locked the zoo gates? Who locked the zoo gates? I say who locked the zoo gates? Because I haven't seen those who started this first, where are they? So who locked the zoo gates?
Okay, so enche ohun the white black man ya otaye nyum de ma Asante no me ye interview wa ha sei otaye nyum de ma Asante pa me twa ni interview wa sei enche kura wo munya botere ewurade ezeze we no wa ye we so de ama on said the young boy Asante on so we hip hop ai wose o chechire mu wose na wo sesei ade obi se me wo tribe ho dawura na and why enche me twa ni interview wa ha sei to the state to hide the reason show. Hey, rap na no den pa. Rap na no den. And some so kind of emo du pa o. And some no kind emo du. Tie kakra kan.
Of this world, yeah, me boy, With a rock of ages, what time y'all share bossy? Do you want me to tell you before you know that Ashanti is the capital city of the world? I feel your pain because you wanted to brag about your tribe. But since I am ahead of you, you feel like your words are filthy like a rag. Nevertheless, be proud of your tribe and use the energy to promote it rather than giving up and thinking that insulting Ashanti will be like encouragement. However, it's a trap. We come like a horror movie and you're trying to turn it off. Now, why are you crying? Now, why are you silent? Who even advised you to be mute? Please don't give up. Let's keep the race going. Hello? Hello? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Now who locked the zoo gates? Who locked the zoo gates? I say who locked the zoo gates? Because I haven't seen those who started this first. Where are they?
Ono asani ono asane sa yes anyi ono asani.
Where are you from? I am from Asante. Where is Asante? It is in West Africa. Or are you talking about Ghana? No, I am talking about Asante. But Asante is under the Republic of Ghana. No, Ghana is under Asante. So who's your president? We don't have a president, but we have a king. Then anyone who's from Asante is called Otumfoinana. Can you give me one song? Okay, I'm Ghanaian by birth, but Asante by grace. I'm Ghanaian by birth, oh, but Asante by grace. I am lucky that God accepted my application letter to be born an Asante. Because I know some got their applications rejected, but I was accepted, so thank you, Father. I'm Ghanaian by birth, oh, but Asante by grace. I'm Ghanaian by birth, oh, but Asante by grace. I am lucky that God accepted my application letter to be born an Asante. Because I know some got their applications rejected, but I was accepted, so thank you, Father.
Okay, I had a reason so you're from this year bar. Na ye na enra ye went through ho na fi yemra. Picture ya wo hwe. Enra na yewura wo na himfia ana kyese mpanimfo a wono mo IMF mpanimfo ni nyina ba ye na kyese wono ba yewura ho. Eti the new country director na say we as na IMF pani a moyi no wo ba ye wo so wo ba no be che Asante hene. Eti dia wo hwe ye Asante hene na wo ba wo ba no ho na nra kyese wono ne mpanimfo nyina eba menhia kyese me enna me de kire we IMF director no ye ono ne dine Dominic Strauss-Kahn one na ye director of International Monetary Fund IMF kyese enra wo mo ba menhia wo mo de wo ne ewura bedi kokko mu nkomo. So we are saying say the wodin na yebo the wodin na yebo iti no nti enra is am say ye update no nti dia wo hwe ehun bi na ye kire no IMF ya ye mpanifo yi kopesika da bia no mo be sisante hene say was nti wo munim the quota nti ye yi panin kura wo bepa wo ba ye so straight to mention ya say wo ba ye wura ho ene wone ne e ba ya obi hia ye wura ne be introduce wo mo hwe wi ase sikasem no so nyina wo do be introduce kira san nti wo mo nyina ne ne gira ho nti hye ne nsoma ye ai ade wo krom ne ya na wa hwe ne ye why aha nti wo tan wo sante ho agya na emwa wo aha nti eno de da bia be koso ne akirem aha nti wo ne akirem na se wo se wo mpede a ye de ye pe ye be kirem so da nti say no kure so Asante fo mo dɔso de a ene ya bibia so mo ye hunu fi say mo dɔso so ampa de a ene na bibia ni ho ebetimi bu mabam say ade a ye mo de a no mo tena say obi no en kanche so wo no mpenti no wo so ka say me mpeda bi ye nya ne sa ma ne yi enti we IMF new boss wa mo de na ba director and it did Dominic Strauss-Kahn one na ye the director himself wa visited the Asante hene wo Kumasi mentia. Now, Yankuyanim. Na picture ye da mpacho mo be hwan de betimi aka enipa wo picture emu akere me. Picture ye da top yi. Wa wonim no mame hu comment section na ye nto aso. Me the picture bi tete picture bi ato so ho. Wa wonim no mame hu no why? Aha. Picture na da soro ye white black and white no. Wa wonim no mame hu no comment section. Hide the reason show. Ye wi an ya to aso eti wa wonim picture na da so no bomodi amame hu say wonim wa comment section why na ye to aso mfi ase aha eti hide the reason so bomodi like video na fi ye to aso na ye wura se bi mu asem ni be wura na no hye ano hye mame hwe comment section am for more more there picture wa obe kai no obe kai picture no mame hu no why picture na da so no wa obe kai no mame hu no na Proud Africa way aha mo ho okay okay em sa manfo enhyede hu picture we omo hu ni yi anode ohin ba wo se eye asiedu nketia sa da bi o se eye asiedu nketia yes obi say yeah Nana ya Gyamfi say yes na kwa me chiritwie sante hene pia pia was on say na kwa me chiritwie I anodin and anodin ti nana yeda say yes oh have him say yes nana prempe and otumfo in the background yes to be obi say na prempe that's right obi say anwadu say ekofo there be anodin yankuyanim eti yankuyanim bomodi like video no mame na yankuyanim like video no like video nti yana na on bogo for achepa bibia no tradition goes on nti bibia be hu bia no na me yi video bia kire wo me yi video bia kire wo hu video imu on hwade we ye MPP third vice chairman o din komo bi ohun person me video bi yes Edward say yes na prempe the second me da say why ade yentie sa asem na me nkire wade wa
anti de o mo kai pa Asante fo o mo na ye bro ni ya bro fo o mo ti Ghana
Asante fo na ye Ghana bro
fo yes I'm telling you Sirem 80% of Sirem for mo your business na o mo ba kuma Asante fo na ebo o me catch out enti nema bebre na eba kuma si no mo free nema no mai no mu ngie kapre na eba bebre ba o mo fie na eda obi kura Asante ni bi kura wo ho na eba me ba tachima na Asante ni bi na the filling station or dan bi ye ba tachima na me ni dan kura da me see na ye da ho na ni watchman ye sireni o na yesu ye sirenfo na nso to ye da no si obepam ye wo ho na manager no ti ye no ba se anya wu sirenfo wonya wonta wonua mu no obepam mu Asante no no so won jae adechi na me se wo Asante no kura won ni ko se jae na enda so wo ka tell me se Asante nkai de me nim sa nkrofo mo bo sa beno.
Right. Enti papa yi wo ye the third vice chairman e wo MPP m. now say I'm for sending me video bi ni audio bi on almost all this year ba ade na won ka ho asem e di asem a papa wono asani na yese woni maami enya problem bi wo ye maami ye ni position ye maslow na woni ne kasa ne yese wo mu ka wo krom kasa na wo di nkomo bi na wo send maami say papa ya ka asem bi atia asantefo papa so minim say wadi ka di sa nkomo no kura say ono asantefo na asevu na asantefo in fact the okan kura me wo say asantefo ye ewi Ghana fo nyina nyame ni ono ane kan asem Alhaji Masaudu baby a obia no bomodi ama me nya wo contact wo ho ansa na magisa asem wo ye di na mebo asem wo yi ama watie me nyini da se obetimi akasa asem no sa na mpese me gina sa position no ansa me nyini se Alhaji Masaudu ebetimi akasa asem no e de afa asantefo ho na me pese me ma wotie di omo se Alhaji Masaudu aka afa asantefo ho na Alhaji Masaudu wo ye MPP third vice chairman papa na no obo wo yes was show strongness against NDC TV3 strategy me be born abaso Alhaji Masaudu baby a obia no metase me ntanipa bomodi ama me ntom ka ebuzafo yentie de enipa bi se wakasa tia asantefo kasa ne mente sawote dagoma kasa kyeremase ye why yentie de wokan ye me se kan twa ha so ho so wokan saa ada so be pacho anase you be mount pressure e de ese ne so it doesn't matter your political affiliation. That is why every time you catch that say Asante first before every political party. I will never defend MPP whilst MPP tie Asante. The reason why I love MPP is because they don't insult Asante for. They have no hate for Asantes. NDC and a Asante for me. Uy MPP ni na wo di Asante sem di agro kra me no be yaka. Me mpana me yere kra me metimi no wa yaka wo ho. Period. Eti yentie Masaudu so ye saade no a Masaudu baby a obi a me po asem mayento nka wa yentie asem
bangla nduru bindira to kayunda yida kanin da adalci din da yida na the part na ginde ja ka kombon pala abangla ko ginde sharan ginde ma da kabuci atakanya jini aidan du musulum pa ne kafnuma binjara kazan da lunin da ganda to zo ataka da kaman zo no cakan jaka ban ataka da kaman zo ne ataka biala am amiya
so mimi ntika sa no wo kan eti wa wo ye dagomani be fair wo ye MPP ni be fair se nanu na fumu yi obetimi apachew ye de beche no ba se koba ne se ye intentional say stop roaming aimlessly like an Ashanti woman. Say Alhaji Masaudu ne timi kasa asem we ya anoten ba me say we will never tolerate this. Say Alhaji betimi aka because ni video na medi ka bo che say the Asante aye no nti Asante aye ni yi Asanteman ba bia tena it is Alhaji ne ka asem we ya e be ye interest in the amano and we no NMPP asem ye be handle no say the obi aya ye handle no NMPP asem so tie de make kan pa wo eti Alhaji say yampa say translation o ma ye no wo kan sa Alhaji minim say me program wo hwe because the ye no e favor mo MPP for because me MPP for asem say wo mo good policies but it will never override Asante first before MPP whether say will be post one pe and we will ye de moja kura beto and Alhaji wada mama me nto nka ho say me nte kasa na wo kan wa wo te kasa na yentie bio asa me fairness pa
bangla nduru bindira to kayunda yida kanin da adalci din da yida na the part na ginde ja ka kombon pala abangla ko ginde sharan ginde ma da kabuci atakanya jini aidan du musulum pa ne kafnuma binjara kazan da lunin da ganda to zo ataka da kaman zo no cakan jaka ban ataka da kaman zo ne ataka biala am amiya
okay dia mimiti ni o keka ye chaka bala cha I have no idea. That's the reason why mintimin kan ho asem bebre so me take kasa na say but me pesa me man who say eye de ya NDC for MPP for be mutie show no techrema e wotre so some no can ase kire sa Asantefo ma aimless omu romi aimlessly obekire di nti o kan sa it might be so on aim or on reason said ye be yesu be nya reason to mount the pressure back because Asantefo ma nye aimless ope Ghana omo ye more successful Asantefo ma di mu kan utimi enya ho hwe it say Alhaji Masaudu say your voice come out clear your name say you be na aka show so let us know because so people are mempese be quite we say NDC use to counter strategy so a better say Alhaji Masaudu should come out clear say enya wono na ekasa na say asem no kan na see ni and then yes we MPP ni so we will shut him down. I say Yebeka say we keep quiet because we MPP to hell with that. No way. Yen yanum bi send ya tene mami omo ka ho asem because omo say NDC for kan Asantefo asem me ko ka ho asem. Eno na pesa bi chose me sika twa ha. So mo amunim Alhaji Masaudu kasa no wo kan ase ne say should come out and clear his name because any prepare na dwen for asem we say wono nso adidi Asantefo atem say Asantefo ma ye work aimlessly nchaka cha no menti ase enu nti men kasa wo na wo ye nti say obi ete kasa na ase a omami hunu kasa na no wo kana ase obi o comment section wo te kasa na wo kan no ana wadawma first or say first tell us in Tamale I meant I don't know me nim so obi wo ha wo te kasa no wo kana ase aka obo me why said ye be man a fair response first tell us this year I've stayed in Tamale. I learned there I lived there in 1990 and all could I hear in the audio I mean can message ni I mean can message ni first Taylor message just ask people. Also all I could hear in the audios is Asanteni Ba. So first what Asanteni Ba o okay. Also ono so atena Tamale but what Asanteni Ba. Me to no and won't me obi no between the politics I ehuna me. And no someone say it can be that they use AI to disgrace him. Yes. And until I say Alhaji Masaudu should come because and now what the will show NDC for no any it is say Alhaji come out because voice in the uti any voice difference a clear say a nipa we no work say wo de yentie bi on yentie bi AI said is here demand by yentie bi
bangla nduru bindila to kayunda ida kanin da adalci din da ida na the park na ganda ja ka kombon pala abangla ko ganda sharan ganda ma da kabuci atakanya jini aidan du musulum pa ne kafin ma binjara kazan da lunan da ganda to zo ataka da kaman zo no chakan jaka ban ataka da kaman zo ne ataka biala am amiya.
Okay, eti mimi nteka sa no nti ne me de besia ho na ma twen Alhaji Masaudu na ya twen week we mu kosi ni week no na ya hwe se maka se in media obi ka asam to so no wanyi anon ebekwa atia wo so Masaudu we bia wo bia no with the greatest respect you better say you come out to explain this na we clear with me we like you we don't want to be to use I see we are playing same game against your name. Say NDC for the person omo ye bibi say be ya wombegu anim ase stop them today and say na itule because we are not going to allow this. If say you true, we are not going to allow that. And we are I'm a promise because we will know where to mount the pressure and to go against you. Period. Say yes sir. Minim kokwo mo na odi no obia release ade na ba. Etina me say brabonten speak that tell them people enya mea ana eye mea na de ntia me kan ye ni because there's an extra video audio sa da ho ba we ye me pese me di we ni ma na wote say de yati ni wote Asante wodi ka say Asantefo de o ma ya ma eye marvelous yes sir so there's no need say bibisa eti media large besia on na ya twɛn week we ni ahwe na ya hwe sɛ obɛyia no obɛsmo bi ana obɛkyirim ana nyame na meka ye period ye ni asɛm ɛmfa MPP ho ɛna wo ye MPP now say wo cassette Asante ye wo die we will tell you say we will show you say yeah no we don't care about MPP sem ɛyɛ sanity nti ma'am we know what to do nti alaji with the greater respect come out and explain yourself be kyerem wo tetwi pa be kyerem na ye nti asɛm na wo